Alright, what's up guys? How y'all doing today? So, this is y'all's website right here, and it's not ranked at all. It's not horrible because you can get in contact with people can get in contact with you, you have good directions, stuff like that, but we need to get ranked among your competitors. So here's the thing. Titan Security. So this is an organic website that's ranked on the first page, okay? And this is their business, this is their layouts right here, commercial, residential, the guarantees, follow us online, for a quick call, quick estimate, what they do, okay? And then on the bottom, their services, what they provide as well, everything else, okay? They also have 6 different templates. Now, going into this is error. So look, your UR is going to be their strength. So pretty strong website. This is going to be their popularity, not that popular. Now they have, about 8K backlinks, 225 domains, 103 keywords, right? So that's all important, and I'll jump into that in a little bit. This is your next competitor right here. You get your Hidrick Brothers Construction. They have an awesome website, and they do a lot of stuff. So look, their portfolio, aerospace, luxury, commercial, all that kind of stuff. And they're ranked up on there as well, and they have a few different offices. Okay, so it's not about how pretty the website is. It's all about how Google looks at the website. So look at this. Look at their strength that they have. Look at also the popularity. They have a ton of backlinks, meaning that the link and their domain and the host is going to be on other people's websites, right? And it's going to link back to that website, so they get more business, okay? They have good keywords in there, good traffic, and look at the traffic value per click. All right, that's pay per click right there. And then we have Wrap Construction, okay? Not the prettiest website, but it is ranked on the top page, right? They definitely need some help with their website, that's for sure. But I'm not going to obviously help them, I'm going to help y'all. So let's see what they're about. They're pretty bad. No strength, no popularity, only 16 backlinks, 7 referring domains, and no good organic keywords, right? And they popped up on the last part of the first page, under all the lead generation sites and stuff like that as well. But all in all, this is where y'all place. GuilbeConstruction, nothing at all. So just imagine what we can do, right? It only takes 2 to 3 months to start building the website out, for it to start ranking on Google. And then it's almost like putting money to a savings account or putting money into dividends, right? It's going to grow stronger and stronger and stronger over time with the right keywords and doing the SEO, okay? Now, if you want to get business quicker as well, what we can do is we can launch a couple ads that, just kind of get the stuff rolling as well. I know Jeff said he wants to start something with fencing, and I can get something done with that. I've also put a couple of things together for his top competitors in this area and what we can do to, beat those competitors and to get you ranked on the first page. That's the goal. If you're ranked on the first page, you're going to be guaranteed more business. You're going to multiply your money. That's the idea of this. So y'all give this a watch. If y'all have any questions, let me know. Y'all have my phone number. And yeah, so I'll be in touch, guys.